Hi, this is Dr. Carl Hansen, Infinity Health Direct Primary Care. Today's DPC short is DPC and insurance. Well, direct primary care practices do not work with insurance companies for a lot of reasons. They cause a lot of administrative hassles, extra paperwork, extra phone calls. They do nothing at all to add to patient care, and as a matter of fact, they're more obstructing patient care. So we do not work with insurance companies. Another reason that we don't work with insurance companies, and I'll share this with you, that shows the insurance company profits from 2019 to 2020, that how much extra profits they make during that pandemic frame. And you can see the little loss at the CVS Health thing. Well, now actually that's Aetna's part of that now. And so there's confiscatory profits on that side too. So a lot of people are making money in the healthcare business. It in general is not really physicians though. It's it's health insurance, it's administrators, it's CEOs, etc. We really have no use to interact with it, and primary care should not ever fall under insurance coverage per se. And those of you who have insurance, who have still joined a direct primary care practice, we thank you, because that's part of the movement. That's the only way healthcare is going to get fixed. Now, if you don't have insurance, do you have any other options? Well, yes, there are other options. There are health share ministries and health shares rather. This is one example. MediShare, for example, that's a health share, as is Sedera. Sedera is a health share. Now, both of these entities and other health shares too, they don't work. They do collect a monthly payment. It's not a premium. It's not nearly that expensive. However, if you do incur a medical illness that has a significant expense that you are not able to handle with your savings, with a smaller set of savings, then the community, if you will, the co-op, then contributes to paying off that particular healthcare expense. You think, well, a co-op, that's not, is that legit? Yes, it is legit. These are very legit. So Sedera and then the other one, MediShare, and the other health shares have an excellent reputation of paying their healthcare expenses. And I do strongly recommend that if you do not have in coverage of any type, that you look first for the health shares and see what they can do for you. They are legitimate, and I think they're actually wonderful. So the health insurance industry is something that convinces us that we need their care and their premiums, but they don't. If you figure that if you have no insurance whatsoever and you're 25 years old and healthy, you don't drink, you don't smoke, you don't do drugs, you don't sit and eat Cheetos all day, that your likelihood of having a major catastrophic expense, which is, by the way, why you have a health share or an insurance, is to cover major expenses, not the little expenses like primary care does. But if you don't have this significant illness 20 years in, the money you would have saved by just saving and investing with your non-paid health insurance premiums, you would be self-insured after 20 years. You would have so much money. So anyway, if you have insurance, you can still join a direct primary care practice. Does not mess up the insurance. If you have a health share, ideal to join a direct primary care practice. And if you don't have insurance or coverage whatsoever, any type, still joining a practice will keep you, at least try to keep you healthy and be able to address your needs urgently, early, before they turn into something. So thanks for listening for this short, and hopefully we kept our promise at 5 minutes or less. And thanks for listening. We will come back to you later. All right. Thank you. Bye.